Hello friends, welcome back again in my channel Indian Future Forum. So our today's topic is Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail Corridor, Mumbai Ahmedabad Bullet Train. So let's start. The first high speed rail corridor to be implemented in the country with technical and financial assistance of government of Japan has been identified from Mumbai to Ahmedabad with total 12 stations in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. The corridor will be a length of 508.17 km, where the high speed rail will cover 155.76 km in the state of Maharashtra, 7.04 km in Mumbai suburban, 39.66 km in Thane district and 109.06 km in Palghar district, 4.3 km in Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and 348.04 km in the state of Gujarat. High speed rail will cover total 12 stations: Mumbai, Thane, Virar, Boisar in Maharashtra, Vapi, Bilimore, Surat, Bhuj, Vadodara, Anand, Ahmedabad and Sabarmati in Gujarat, where a limited stop in Surat and Vadodara. Service will cover this distance in 1 hour and 58 minutes and all stop service will be take 2 hours 57 minutes to cover this distance. High speed rail will be operating a speed of 320 km per hour at an elevation of 10 to 15 track above the ground on viaduct all along the expect 26 km in Mumbai, which will be underground. All stations will be elevated expect Bandra Kurla Complex Station, Mumbai will be underground. Operational plan. Operational control center from Mumbai Ahmedabad high speed rail will be Sabarmati. Initially trains will have to total 10 coaches with seating capacity of 750 passengers, which will be further increased to 16 coaches and seating capacity of 1250 passengers. There will be 35 trains per day, one direction, where there will be one train every 20 minutes in peak hours and one train in every 30 minutes in non-peak hours. Train frequency will be further increased, one train every 8 minutes in future. Mumbai Ahmedabad high speed rail will be equipped to handle 17,900 passengers one way daily, which will be increased up to 92,900 passengers in future. A detailed operational plan in the follows. Train configuration in 2023 is 10, 2033 is 10 to 16, 2043 is 16 and 2053 is 16. Number of racks in 2023-24, in 2033-24 plus 11, in 2043-44 and in 2053-71. Number of train per day, one direction in 2023-35, in 2033-51 and 2023-35 and 2043-64 and 2053-105. Train capacity in 2023 750, in 2033 750 to 1250, in 2043 1250, in 2053 1250. Passenger seats day on one direction in 2023 17,900, in 2033 31,700, in 2043 56,800, in 2053 92,900. Number of trains per day one direction, peak hours in 2023 is 3, 2033 is 4, 2043 is 6 and 2053 is 8. Off peak hours in 2023 is 2, in 2033 is 3 and 2043 is 3 and 2053 is 6. So friends, that's all for today. For more updates like this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button.